Well, good afternoon, everyone. Dad and Peter got quite a bit done here today. As you can see, the front has been completely opened up. They've cut out all that thin tin from the front. Now what Dad's going to do is he's going to put a new piece of tin in there, close it all up, and so that he can put the front access panel in. Likely what he's going to do first, though, is get all the accessories cleaned up in here first, so that he has more access room, and then he'll end up cleaning it up, because once we close it up, then he has to dig around in all this. So very, 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 very dusty in the shop right now. But the reason being is, you can see they've started continuing on with the paint removal here, and you'll see right away what these guys have done. It looks like Dad or Peter started at the top and they're working their way down. So as far as I can see up here, it's all done. And then on the okay,
and then went up. He's not doing this because I'm going to cut it out.
Okay.
Cut this out here.
And they're cutting that out because of the damage there.
And he's going to finish the top.
So he's still working on the top. You can see there.
Cut all this and cut it out. So I'll put a stiffener in there and we'll put a sheet in.
Okay.
But Peter's strong suit is not cleaning up or put the things away. So.
Okay. So when I showed up, Dad was temper was up, and Peter couldn't get into the truck fast enough. But we're all going to make good with one another. We're going to go for dinner because my mother's out of town.
He's not trained for tidiness. He's too old to learn. So
Yeah.
I can follow up.
So
Again, I don't want any half-assed shift. This has to be ground right to bare metal.
yeah. So
Weld right.
yeah. So the reason why that's got to be ground to bare metal is, Dad indicated the other day that was original stainless steel weld, and that has to be ground out.
And then this is this welding here is brass.
Yeah, I
So
saw
it all
that.
has to come out because you can't weld over top of brass.
So you can see a little bit of discoloration right here, and so there was a mix of welding styles here. Looks like a little bit of brass right here as well. So yeah, that's what they did today. Actually quite a bit of work. And I'll see if I can hop up in the chair, see if they did any more up top here. But they did quite a bit of work here. And yeah, you can see where they did some of the work up here. There's still some more polishing to do. The other thing is, our body and paint man guy, he showed up late last night, and but we're not waiting for him tonight. He's still working on doing the body and paint work on the 79, but it looks like quite a bit of more work that he did here last night. And yeah, so looks like a productive day. I'll make sure Dad is doing his logs, but yeah, Dad's temper's up a little bit, and I've got some tasks to do tomorrow. Once I'm done those tasks, I'll come out and help out some more. But yeah, lots of vacuuming. I'm gonna have to re-vacuum here again. And when I was here yesterday, I vacuumed out quite a bit, but then you got to let everything dry out and then re-vacuum again. So yeah.
And you can't sweep a floor like this.
Okay. Was that how this floor was being swept today?
I've done it twice.
Yeah.
You have to tap it.
Whenever Dad shows me how to sweep, I just put the broom away and then I drive away. So they
You can't do it, leave it.
yeah. So dried up quite a bit from yesterday, but it's did you put the wash in here?
Hey,
Did you use the gas wash today? Okay.
I've done nothing.
So this is just the paint flecks from today.
No, it's all the, it falls down and
Yeah, that's what I'm told. That's what I said.
Yeah.
So yeah, lots of progress again. So this all has to be brought down, and
fine sand it and
yeah.
then we start filming.
yeah. So there you go, guys. That's today's progress.